Let's start with one simple question. Why do some people get rich while others stay stuck in poverty? What sets millionaires apart from those living paycheck to paycheck? It's not just luck. It's a mindset, strategies, and actions that you can start applying right now. First, let's break down the biggest mistake that holds most people back from becoming wealthy. That mistake is passivity. You can't just sit around and wait for money to come to you. You need to take action. How? There are a few simple but incredibly effective steps. One of them is the skill of seeing opportunities where others don't. Think about how many times you've heard of people making huge money from things others thought were pointless. They didn't wait for the perfect moment. They started right away. The next key is your environment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Want to be rich? Surround yourself with people who have already achieved success or are actively working toward it. This will change the way you see the world. Next, financial strategy. Money shouldn't just come and go. It needs direction. If you're not managing your finances, then you're working for money instead of making money work for you. Create a plan. Analyze your current income. Find ways to increase it and decide where to invest. And of course, one of the most important rules is constant learning. The most successful people never stop educating themselves. They read books, watch lectures, and test new strategies. Start now. Pick one area you want to improve in and dive into it. But this is just the beginning. To truly become wealthy, you need to change. Not just what you know, but also how you act. Wealthy people think differently, move faster, and aren't afraid to take risks. Did you know that most successful entrepreneurs have faced serious failures at least once in their lives? But they didn't give up. They analyzed their mistakes, learned from them, and kept going. Failure is part of the path to success. Let's talk about habits. The way you start your day has a direct impact on your results. If you waste your morning scrolling through social media or procrastinating, don't expect progress. Successful people start their day with clear goals and productive actions. By the way, money loves discipline. If you don't control your spending, it doesn't matter how much you earn. It will all slip through your fingers. Track your income and expenses. Analyze where your money goes and identify weak spots. This will help you start investing in yourself. Another crucial point is active income streams. Relying on a single paycheck means financial dependence. If you want to truly get rich, find ways to create multiple income sources: business, investments, affiliate programs, freelancing, and more. And most importantly, don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never come. Start acting today, and this year will become a turning point for you. But what exactly should you do to increase your income right now? Monetize your skills. Think about what you do better than others and start offering that service. Maybe you can create content, offer consulting, code, or sell products online. Invest. You don't need to start with millions. Begin small. Learn about the stock market, crypto, and real estate. The key is to invest wisely, understanding the risks. Start a business. Today, launching a business is easier than ever. The internet provides endless opportunities, from dropshipping to online courses. Choose a niche that excites you and brings profit. Networking. The more people know about you and your skills, the more chances you have to receive profitable offers. Attend conferences, connect with successful individuals, and be active in professional communities. Mindset. You need to see yourself as rich before it happens. This isn't magic. It's how the brain works. If you believe in your success, you start making different choices, spotting opportunities, and taking action that leads to results. Remember, your life is the result of your actions. Start applying these principles today, and this year could be the most successful one of your life.